Okay, you were given a blank piece of paper. On the blank piece of paper, we are going to be doing what's called, I'm not going to show you this yet, a double bubble. A double bubble is one of our thinking maps, like what's hanging on the wall underneath where the lunch count and the calendar are. There's all those bubbles. We've done the circle map already. We have done a bubble map where you had to describe place value, I think is what we did. We described place value, if I remember right. So today, you are going to create a double bubble. And to create a double bubble, I'm going to do mine in here. Our double bubble needs to have a title. So you're going to put addition, and I think upside down, subtraction. Okay. Addition and subtraction. I'm sorry, my camera is just not very bright. I don't know what the deal is, but it's not ready for a new computer. Okay. Addition and subtraction. Now, you're going to need to put 2 circles with some space, because this is like what you're comparing, like if you were doing a Venn diagram. It's the same concept of a Venn diagram. So in this one, you can put the plus sign for addition, and in this one, you can put a subtraction sign for subtraction. All right, now you're going to put 3 circles down the middle in a row. And remember, you can pause me at any time so that you can write it and stay caught up. And you're going to connect these with lines back to the plus side. So I connected with lines. And then I'm going to connect the other side of them with lines to the subtraction. So this row right here is how you're comparing how they are alike. What do you find in addition and in subtraction that is alike? Now, I'm going to help you fill in one of them. We just worked out addition and subtraction problems using standard algorithm. So that is one thing you do. You just do a regular problem, standard algorithm. So you will need to fill in the other 2 by yourself, how they're alike. Now, on the outside, you can put as many bubbles, and the more, the happier you'll make Miss Hunt, as long as they are neat and as long as they are filled in with information. So I'm going to start with the plus side. And you can put more than the 5 that I have here. Okay? This is anything that has to do with addition, but not subtraction. So one of the words you heard was the word sum. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Has nothing to do with subtraction. So I would put sum out here because these bubbles right here are explaining how it's different from subtraction. So you can think of different words that you have seen maybe in word problems, that you've seen around the room, that you have used last year, that lets you know you are doing addition. How do you know when a problem is telling you you should be doing addition? Okay. We're going to go back over here now. We're going to do the same thing on the subtraction side. And we talked about difference and how difference was the answer to a subtraction problem. So on this side, and you can put more than just the 5 I have, you need to come up with ways you know and representations of subtraction. Okay? When you are finished, you need to make sure your name and your number is on your paper. And then you will turn it into the green tray. The next video you need to watch is about something called inverse operations.